Are you tired of marking those 10-page project reports? Why not get the students to present dynamic, media-rich project reports? It's really easy to do in Microsoft Sway. It's an online platform that the students can collaborate in a single linked space and add media-rich content such as videos, images, voice notes, music, all in a way that allows their project report to be far less text-heavy. They have fun creating the report, you have fun marking the report. You can even create a template in Word that they can simply upload, and it creates the placeholders for each part of the project report. That way, they know that they have completed all the sections by the time they submit it to you. So to access Microsoft Sway, you simply log into office.com and click on the ellipses. Sway is one of the green icons on the left-hand side, and by giving your students that Word document template, you'll see it gives them a space to start from a document. All they need to do is click on that up arrow, find your document that they've downloaded from the virtual learning environment, click on it and open it. You'll see it automatically starts making a Sway. It opens up in the presentation mode. At the top right-hand corner, they can share it with their collaborators or click on the edit button in order to open it up in the edit mode. You'll see that all your project sections are already pre-populated, and the students can simply add background images, and with each heading, the clues that you've given them as to what content fits in each space is there and ready for them to just edit and add their own content. What's great about Sway is that it's really easy to change the look and feel of their designs. By clicking on Design, they can click on the styles and it opens up a whole new pane. They can decide whether their report scrolls vertically, horizontally, or whether it moves in a slide format. They can also change the color just by simply clicking a button. It'll change the font, the color, and the emphasis of their projects. So I'm now going to add a video to this particular project. You'll see it's very easy. When you click in any of the cards, there's a green plus button that pops up. And by opening this plus button, it gives some suggested options, but they can also click on text to create a text card, or media to create an image, video, audio, embedded or uploaded document card. So in media, I'm going to select on video. I already have an idea of which video I want, so I'm going to paste the URL into the search icon, and you can see there is my video. Click add and it comes up straight away. I simply give it a caption, okay, and I can decide how big I want the video to be. So I'm going to make it the biggest size. So now that the video has been added, you can preview what it looks like by clicking on play. And this opens up, you can see immediately the blended beat video has been included in the presentation mode. When the students are ready, they can simply click on the share button. In order to share with each other, they would share to edit, but if they're going to share it with you to mark, then they would share it to view. They can simply copy the link and submit it in whichever platform you've decided to mark it in. So that's a little bit about how to use Microsoft Sway as a quick, easy, dynamic, media-rich environment for students to create reports that are going to be easy for you to mark. I look forward to hearing how you've enjoyed using Microsoft Sway. Maybe even use it for some of your own presentations to take it up a level, but we'll bring you another app next week.